Hi everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to download TD Bank statement or the TD Bank account transaction summary statement download in the form of CSV and PDF. In order to do that, the first thing that you need to do is to simply launch your TD Bank's mobile banking app, and then you need to just provide your login credentials and you need to just log in into your account. Afterwards, on the home page, you just have to tap on the account whose statements you want to view. After selecting that account, you will be able to see your available balance in the top, and here you will be able to see three tabs including statements as one of them. So you just have to tap on the statements, and after that you just have to enter the statement time period from the drop down menu. Once done, you will be able to see all of the statements associated with the years that you have selected over here. So you just have to tap on the download button right next to the month of statement that you want to download. After tapping on the download button, your statement will automatically load for you to view. Now, in order to download it in your device, you can either take the screenshot, or in order to save it in your gallery, you will be able to see a save button over here. So you just have to tap on that, and this way you will be able to save the statements in your gallery. So if the video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this video. Thank you so much for watching.